I'm going to show you how you can add Stripe subscription and payments to your web app. I want to add a monthly $5 plan and a $100 lifetime plan. So this is the process I'm going to go through. First, I'm going to add a Stripe MCP to make it faster and more reliable to add my Stripe integration. Then I need to go into my Stripe, go to sandbox mode, add my product, copy the product ID, and then test if it actually works. To add the Stripe MCP is really simple. All I need to do is go to docs.stripe.com/MCP. I'm using Claude Code. All I need to do is copy and paste this and type it into my Claude Code. You just put in that command and then it will ask you to log into Stripe. Click a few buttons and you'll be able to add Stripe. One small note with Claude Code is that you need to close the terminal and then restart it in order for it to show up as added. Now that you've added it, the second step is really simple. You go to your Stripe account and you go to Sandbox. I'm already in Sandbox. What Sandbox means is just a test environment. It's not actually charging people money. Then you go to Product Catalog and you add the product you want. I added a new product and I named it, add a new product, and I set as recurring $5. I pick my currency and I have my first $5 recurring plan. And the lifetime plan is a one-time fee, flat rate for $100. You don't need to create a product. You can get vibe coding to do what's called dynamic pricing and it'll create the product, but that's not the best practice. It's easier to manage later on if you create these products and then copy the product ID and then go into your Claude Code and say, I have a product that's $5, there's a product ID, add it to my web app. Let's tell Claude to add the code and see what we get. Okay, it's saying that I need to find my price ID. I'm guessing is this, but I'm going to open my comment just to verify. Okay, so I think if you come in here, this is the price ID. Copy this, and then let's go back, product catalog, lifetime plan. This says price, I'm gonna click on this. This is the price ID. Copy it. Okay, so it says it's done. Let's go to the website, monthly plan, check out. Okay, so I plugged in a random card number, see if it works. And it works. Payment successful. And now I have payments. And that's how you add Stripe to your website. If it works in Sandbox, all you need to do is go back to exit Sandbox, recreate the product, copy the new IDs into your non-Sandbox environment, and then tell AI to update the product and you will have a live paying subscription. That's how you add a one-time fee and a monthly subscription to your web app using vibe coding. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're working on adding Stripe to your vibe coded product and you're getting stuck, you can join my vibe coding course where I go into more depth and more details on how to build your dream product in the fastest possible time. Click on the link in the description to join my vibe coding course.